Adobe Firefly is an AI developed to help designers and teams in accelerating their workflow and collaboration. According to the features of this AI, Adobe Firefly is bringing a massive change to graphic design. Hey guys, I'm Dennis, and in this video I will share with you ways in which Adobe Firefly will massively change graphic design forever. Before we dive into the changes, let us take a look at the features of this AI. This AI features a flexible design system that allows users to customize their tools and interface to meet their specific needs. It also features a UI component that can be shared across teams. Also, this features a collaboration tool that allows users and designers to work in real time. This AI is still in beta version, which offers us with two amazing tools, which is text to image and text effect, and we have recolor vector as coming soon. Also, we have some tools in exploration, so we are expecting a lot more. This AI features a user interface that allows multiple designers to work on a project together in real time. Adobe Firefly features a unique user interface that allows graphic designers to create stunning graphics easily. With a simple and streamlined interface, this AI allows quick access to tools that you might need. This AI offers faster and efficient design iteration by providing real-time feedback. So this means designers can try out multiple design concepts and see the one that works for them best. If you find the value in this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. This AI allows you to create interactive elements such as buttons, menus, and animations. This AI allows you to easily create 3D design without using multiple applications. Remember, AI is not here to replace human creativity but to enhance it. So make sure to use this AI to your advantage to make your work faster and easier, to streamline your workflow and design stunning graphics in less time. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think about the AI in the comment section below.